Next nutrient is protein. Protein is a type of complex organic compound that is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen essentially. And in some of the proteins, sulfur and phosphorus are also present. Protein is made up of a small unit called amino acid. It's a type of monomer. When so many monomer or amino acids they are combined or connected to each other, a large unit is made called protein. By nature, protein is a bodybuilding food, means our body structure, mainly muscles, our skin, hair, these all are made up of protein. That's why proteins are called bodybuilding food. We get protein from two sources, plants and animals. In plant, all pulses they contain a large amount of protein. With that, groundnut, cereals, beans is a type of pulse, cereals like maize, wheat, and these all are good sources of vegetable protein. Animal protein examples are milk, fish, meat, egg, etc. Animal protein they contain all type of amino acids, but whatever plant protein we use they are lack with one or more amino acids. Actually, 20 types of amino acids are present. They combine with each other in a different way and make so many types of proteins. This is similar to our alphabets. 26 alphabets they can arrange in a different way and can make thousands of words. In the same way, 20 amino acids they can arrange in different ways and can make different types of proteins. Function of protein: help in digestion. Whatever digestive juices that are released by our digestive system, by nature these are protein. Body growth: to build up muscles, proteins are necessary because muscle itself it's a type of protein. Tissue repair: whatever cells these are damaged or dead that are repaired with the help of proteins. Catalyzing certain biochemical processes, means whatever chemical reaction takes place in our body these are catalyzing by particular enzymes, and enzymes by nature these are protein. Amount of protein that is required by our body on the everyday basis will be according to our body weight, like 1 gram per kilogram of the body weight is required by us. When body is making new tissues, more proteins we required. That's why growing child and pregnant women both need more amount of protein. Protein is also necessary to fight against infection. So if a particular child will not get enough protein, that will be sick in different ways. Vitamin is the next nutrient. These are called protective food that make us healthy and protect from diseases. Vitamins are necessary for growth and maintenance of our body. When growth will be proper, when we will take healthy diet and we will be free from sickness or diseases, and that is done by vitamins. Vitamins do not provide us energy but helpful for utilization of different nutrients like carbohydrate and fat. In our body, whatever vitamins are required that are A, C, D, E, K and B complex. Out of these vitamins, our body can make just 2 vitamins that are D and K, but other vitamins we have to take from our food. Vitamin B complex is a group of so many vitamins like B1, B2, B4, B6, B9 and B12. If we cook food, vitamin C will be destroyed. That's why whatever food item that contain vitamin C, generally we use it in the raw form. And all citrus fruit that are good source of vitamin C, so we used to eat it directly in the raw form. Vitamins can be classified on the basis of their solubility in water. So that can be categorized into two types, water soluble and fat soluble. Water soluble will be B and C, and fat soluble that are A, D, E and K. Go through the table to get information about physiological action and sources. Means कौन सा विटामिन क्या हेल्प करता है हमारी बॉडी के लिए और उसके क्या सोर्सेज हैं. सो द होल टेबल इज गिवन, सो गो थ्रू द टेबल. Minerals is the next category of nutrient. We need minerals so our body can work properly, or different functions of the body can go in a proper way. Salt of certain metals or non-metals, these come in the category of minerals. So minerals, they help in proper utilization of other nutrients in our body. मीन्स दूसरे जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स है वो हमारी बॉडी उन्हें प्रॉपर यूज़ कर सके, उसके लिए मिनरल ज़रूरी होते हैं. एंड मिनरल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड इन अ वेरी स्मॉल अमाउंट. फॉर एग्जांपल कॉपर, जिंक, मैग्नीशियम, these our body need in very small amount. And the main minerals that we need: iron, calcium, phosphorus, etc. Go through the table to get the functions of different minerals in our body and what are the sources of these minerals. Go through the whole table. Now next is water. Water is necessary for our life. We cannot survive without water for few days. About 2/3 of our body weight is because of the water. Whatever fruit, vegetables we contain, they are having large quantity of water. Now why do we need water? What is the importance of water for our body? For the transportation of nutrient or chemicals to and from the cell. Blood transport different material and the base of blood is water. It is necessary to maintain our body temperature. It is necessary to excrete body waste in the form of urine, and it provides medium for biochemical reaction. Next is roughage or dietary fiber. This is present in all plant cell and necessary to be the part of our food because it is helpful in digestion. This cannot be digested by our digestive system. That's why it goes out of the body in the same way and helpful in removal of solid waste material. Sources like whatever fruit, vegetables we eat, salad, corn cob, skinned grains. Other functions of that: it maintains the amount of water in our body, helpful in digestion, and it add bulk to the food and give a sense of filling after meal. इसका मतलब है कि जो हम fruit, vegetable खाते हैं, because of that we feel our stomach is full, so we feel or we get a sense of filling.